In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Venmo to Cash App quickly and easily. Since there is no direct transfer option between Venmo and Cash App, you'll need to use a linked bank account as an intermediary. First, open the Venmo app, go to the Me tab, and tap Add or Transfer under your balance. Choose Transfer to Bank, then select either Instant Transfer with a small fee or Standard Transfer, which takes 1 to 3 business days. If you haven't already, link your bank account by entering your routing and account number. Next, open the Cash App, go to the Banking tab, the dollar icon, and tap Add Cash. Choose the same bank account you used on Venmo, enter the amount you transferred, and complete the transaction. Your money will now be available in Cash App. If you don't have a linked bank, you can use the Cash App debit card, Cash Card, to transfer funds from Venmo by adding it as a payment method in Venmo settings and withdrawing directly to it. That's it. You've successfully transferred money from Venmo to Cash App using a linked bank or Cash Card. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.